And up she goes in her bubble wrap finery. Bye, Sean.
Happy 40th.
Happy 40th birthday. Hopefully we'll see you tomorrow.
It may be a while.
I'll be back. Great. Such a steep hill. We've been climbing it now for weeks. And their posh frocks. You're walking too fast, can't actually keep up with you. And we're getting to the top.
And that's the summit. Happy rolling.
As long as I can keep you in the shot, I suppose.
I need to turn the camera around so you can see this mad friend that does encourage these mad ideas.
But instead of doing that, we'll look down to the depths. And there's our bags in the far distance.
Yes, it's about a mile away.
We'll stop here.
Yeah.
Seems to...
Does my bum look big in this?
It won't let me change the zoom on it now. Should have just taken some stills. That's gorgeous. Yes. Okay then. Now then, I'm going to go down the hill. Ready? In your own time. No, sideways, darling. In your chrysalis. Do you need help? I'm a worm at the bottom of the garden. I heard you pop. You need to get up that momentum. Your health and safety hats, come on. Hello. How's it going over there?
My breast.
Your breast and your head.
Maybe
Shall I push you? Now you have to hop. This is early woman learning how to walk. A bit like Friday night, actually. Hair's gorgeous, check. We're now on phase 2. We're going for another hill, shorter but more intense this time.
Oh!
Ready? Yes, and she's still going. She's still going. And she, oh, yep. Oh, and there she is, prone on the ground in hysterics. Give us a wave for the camera. Thank you. I'm here now. Oh shit, it's hard to walk down, so she's going to bubble wrap it now. Okay, I think. Can we see her? Up there. Little white speck in the distance. I'll bring her in a bit closer. Okay, I'm ready when you are. I'm going to go slightly off camera because I don't want to be off angle so I don't get run over. She's lying down. She's prepared. And she can see a kite. She's that high she could touch the goddamn kite. Okay! That was she's not moving. Oh no, she is. She can't move. I think she feels a little bit sandy. That's an attractive shot. Maybe we'll